For 2025, the Toyota Corolla Cross Hybrid elevates the small crossover experience with a new Nightshade edition. Is this the one you've been waiting for? We have a closer look right now. The Toyota Corolla Cross has been a huge success for Toyota. It packages a lot of the tech from the RAV4 into a smaller and more nimble package. Under the hood is an optional hybrid powertrain that produces a peak 196 horsepower and 200 pound-feet of torque. Power goes to all four wheels thanks to an advanced all-wheel drive system. This powers the back wheels with a dedicated electric motor. The result is a powertrain that is efficient, effective, and yields up to 45 miles to the gallon in town and 38 on the highway. The model we're looking at today includes a new color, Soul Red Crystal. Combined with the Nightshade blacked out badging and gloss black 18-inch wheels, this is one of the nicest looking compact crossovers you can buy today. In the back, you get up to 21.5 cubic feet of cargo space with the second row in place. You can even fold the second row down for larger objects. The second row provides seating for up to 3 with access to vents and USB-C power. Up front, you get supportive fabric seats and a sport-wrapped steering wheel. The infotainment system is the latest from Toyota. It features optional maps, music, and a lot more. It even supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Get all the information you need about the vehicle at a glance with the color informational display integrated into the gauge cluster. This also lets you control all the advanced safety features, like proactive driver assist, rear cross-traffic alerts, collision mitigation, and blind spot warnings. Of course, it also has a backup camera when you need it. On the road, the Corolla Cross has a surprising amount of spunk for a hybrid. Power comes on quick thanks to the electric assist, and with the all-wheel drive system, you have confident grip on all road surfaces. Drivers get to pick one of 3 different drive modes to optimize the powertrain and the throttle response. At low speeds, you can even pick an EV-only mode for gas-free parking lot maneuvers. If you've been waiting for a good-looking and economical crossover that's also fun to drive, with the new 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross Nightshade Edition, you finally have the full package. To experience the Corolla Cross for yourself, visit your local AutoNation Toyota dealer today.